Fine, thank you. Sit down, take a seat. So, students, what is the date today? The 29th of January. Okay, good. What is the weather like today? What is it? Cloudy. And that? Okay, good. First, I want to check your. Students, do you know what is this? What is this? This is Kyz famous actually Zhibek and Shabak. Yes? Do you know? No, yes. Okay, please take a Zhibek. Yes, choose one Zhibek and sit in a group. Divide into a group. Choose your Zhibek. Then sit in a group. Okay, let's watch the video.
Once upon a time, there was a beautiful, intelligent girl called I came to see you and ask you to be my wife.
I accept you, Shabak. I will marry only you.
You are my enemy, Kyz. I will not allow this marriage.
I cannot live without you.
Okay. Do you like this video?
Yes.
What do you think? What today's theme, our topic will be? Predict the outcome of the story.
Şebir, Jean, Jean and his friends attacked and he went.
Okay, very good. Okay, the next video.
Kyz Zhibek. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful woman called Kyz Zhibek. She was famous all over the world for both her beauty and her intelligence. Great kings and princes came to ask for her hand in marriage, but Kyz Zhibek decided that she would only marry the man she truly fell in love with. Despite all their efforts and expensive gifts, none of them could capture her heart. Far away across the steppe, there lived a handsome young man called Kyz. After hearing the songs of Kyz Zhibek's beauty, he had a strong desire to meet her. When his father, the wealthy Sүйінбay, found out about Kyz's plan, he was very angry, because Kyz's family and Kyz Zhibek's family were great enemies. Besides, it was the tradition in those days that the father chose his son's bride for him. However, Kyz was strong-willed and wouldn't listen to his father. The next day, he got on his horse and rode off to find Kyz Zhibek. After riding for days, he arrived at her yurt, where he saw the beautiful Kyz Zhibek and they fell in love straight away. They promised each other that they would get married, despite the hatred between their families. The wicked Bekezan, who was the leader of Kyz Zhibek's tribe, was furious when he heard the news. He did not want her to marry Kyz. This man is the son of Bazarbai, one of our great enemies. And she came to a high cliff. Unable to imagine living without Kyz, the young woman jumped off the cliff to her death.
The man who came to us from her hand. But this
Because Kyz's family and Shebek's family were great friends.
Next question. Why didn't Bazarbai want to regain to marry Zhibek? What?
Because he was
Very good for that. What happens in the end? 7.
as well as they was died.
They both died. Is that all? Okay. Why did Tulibin decide to travel after this death? Sayın.
Tulibin decided to travel after this death to find Zhibek and meet her.
How did Zhibek learn about Tulibin's death? Do you understand the task? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Please, one by one, come to the board and connect the vocabulary. Bir-birden шығыңыздар, бәріңізге жетеді. Бастаңыз, егер бастаңызшы сіз. Сипаттайсыздар. Vikijan is jealous, very good. Cruel, good. Angry, also good. That's correct. Next. Really romantic, good. Next. Brilliant, brave. Who is selfish? Vikijan is selfish, good. Evil Vikijan, yes, that's right. Next. Miras, please, come. Who is Brad? Honest, good. But I like good. Loving. And the last one? Okay, check your answers. Wow, very good. In this task, you matching the words with the pictures. Okay? Do you understand? Yes. Yes, please. Can you matching the pictures? Read loudly the sentence. Feel in love. Okay, good. On the map, please. Okay, next. Miras, please. Zhibek decided to go and meet Kyz Zhibek. What that? Yeah? No? Roshan. Right. Okay, check the answers. You are smart and talented, very smart and talented students. About that game hot seat. Yes. Yes? Okay. First, I want to explain your rules to this game. Each from two, yeah? A leader from each group, a leader.
Yes, I feel guilty because to begin time for me.
That's enough, Sejan. Very good. Молодец, very good. Second group, who is the leader? What, please? Who is the leader? Okay. Third group, your questions, please. Yes.
What message do you give your student?
What message? What message? Okay, next question. Second group, Basarbai and the traditional groups, you must write a short diary, okay? The second, change the ending of the story. First group session, you have to change the ending of, you may have 3 or 4 characters, main characters, okay? Also you play as a role play, okay? Role play and the second group, act out a short dialogue, okay? You must act out a short dialogue. Okay. You have 4 minutes. Is that enough for you? 4 minutes. First, I want. No? In short, write your diary in short. You can write short. Shorter. Good, Kasa. Next. Who wants?
After most searching.
Good.
Think of a life full of respect and love and peace.
I have never seen him, but my heart feels close to him. I want to meet him.
Okay.
Far away lived a young man named Kyz. He heard many stories about Kyz Zhibek. So Kyz decided to follow his course and go to Zhibek, or Zhibek.
Where you live and
Zhibek told his father Basarbai about his decision.
Songwriting is not only about love. Memories are the tradition and are important.
Father, I respect our traditions that true love brings peace.
Basarbai became silent and started to weep.
I see you trust in your love. My youth trust you.
Trust you. Is that all? Okay. Victoria? How about you? Yes. Assessment stickers. Where is your assessment stickers? Атын аттарыңыз жазып өтсеңіздер білесіздер ғой, аттарыңызды жазыңыздар. Кім қанша балл алды?